this for one last time. I am a leader! I am a leader! I am unstoppable! I am unstoppable! I am filled with courage! I am filled with courage! This is my life! This is my talent! And I'll hold it! Find the rest of victory! Thank you everybody for your love, for being here. It's been a blessing.
Hello everybody, this is Fahad and are you ready for Fahad Khan challenge? So the video you just saw, it is the power of incantation. What incantation is? Repeating something you believe with intensity and loud. So for me it's like, I am a leader, I am unstoppable, I am filled with courage, this is my life, this is my time, and I always find the way to victory. So what I want you to do is make a short video, 10 seconds, 20, 30, either with something you believe in the form of incantation, or you can use the one which I have, the one which I just repeated. So post that online with hashtag FK challenge. So the link is right below. Post on Instagram or Facebook, or I also have an email address at the bottom. You can send that to me directly, and this way we'll take small clips and you will be featured in my next video. So I am unstoppable.